Hello students, our today's lesson is very interesting and you will like it because I'm going to talk about the sports and history. Now what is first of all sports? An activity which combines physical exercise and entertainment is a sport. It is a natural instinct in human being to play. Hunting was a way of obtaining food for the ancient people as well as considered as a game and entertainment. Horse and chariot races, chess, wrestling, games of dice, that is jute, are the games which find a place in ancient Indian literary text and epics. Now, importance of sports. It helps us to overcome pains, worries and suffering. We can feel ourselves relaxed and refreshed by playing games. Games which involves a lot of physical activity not only provide good exercise but also help in building a strong body. One can develop courage, determination, sportsmanship by playing games. A sense of cooperation, team spirit, leadership quality, all such things are developed when you are playing sports. Now there are two types of sports. One is indoor games which you are playing inside environment in the house or sitting inside the room by not going outside, and outdoor games are you are playing outside the house, outside the indoor environment, that are called outdoor games. Outdoor game include running, physical skill, water sport, aerobatic games, adventure sports, game involving thrills. All these are the outdoor games. Now sports competition, international competitions like Olympic, Asiad, Paralympics, Cricket World Cup, etc. are held in India. World Championship is organized for hockey, chess, wrestling, cricket and football on a grand scale in India. You all know about Major Dhyan Chand. He was a part of hockey team as a player in 1928 and 1932. Which won a gold medal for India. He made great contribution in securing gold medals in all the three Olympics. Now I will talk about the globalization of sports. Now fans watch the matches for entertainment, aspiring players to earn more. Commercial companies look at it as an opportunity to advertise and sell their products, and retired sportsmen to have an opportunity to be commentators. Now as you all know, international matches of different sports like cricket, football, lawn tennis can be watched in any corner of the world because of the live telecast on television. Citizens of the non-participant countries watch and enjoy these matches, and as a result, what happened? The process of globalization influenced the fields of sports in 20th and 21st century, and different occupation related with this, different job opportunities related with this field also occur, and it is giving indirectly or directly, it is also affecting the economy of the nation. Now game materials and toys, equipments which are meant for entertainment and education of children are called toys. Clay toys were discovered in archaeological excavation. These toys were made either by hand or using molds. Ancient Indian literature has a mention about dolls. Shudraka wrote a play in Sanskrit named Mrichakatika, which means a clay cart. Now there are toys and history about our related with toys that gives an idea about the development of history and technology. Toys mirror religious and cultural tradition. We get to know about history of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj from the model forts and clay images placed on it during traditional Diwali celebrations in Maharashtra. An ivory doll was found in the excavation at Pompeii, an ancient city in Italy. Due to this, the Indo-Roman trade relations and cultural contacts, which is dated to 1st century CE, came into light. Now sports literature and movies on sports. Sports related literature is a new branch of knowledge. Many books and encyclopedias are published related to sports. Recently, the history of Malakhamba is published. Sports magazines like Shatkar and was published in English and Marathi. Articles on sports are often published in newspaper. Now movies also, like there are different, for example, Dangal movies there, Mary Kom is there, Chak De India. Movies are made on Mary Kom, the first female boxer of India. Female wrestlers, the Fogart sisters, and runner Milkha Singh, cricketer Sachin Tendulkar and MS Dhoni, their biopics, their biography is shown through the movies also. So while making movie on any sport, it is essential to have knowledge of history of the sports. Now professions related to sports, writer and critics are required to write about sports, expert commentators, then journalists, newsreaders, sports experts, television and radio television and radio channels you require this post, umpires, referees, ground staff and assistant, then computer analyst who create statistical data, skilled craftsmen and industries making sports equipment. So these all are the profession related to the sports. Now, sports and field of education. Sports have importance from school level. Students can participate in school, inter-school and national level competition. Scholarship is offered to a sports person by the government. Seats are reserved for sports person in government and private enterprises also. So this was all about the sports and the history of sports in India. I have spoken to you. In detail, I am going to explain you more in the Zoom class. Thank you.